So in this kayak.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to book a business hotel here on at kayak.com. So once kayak.com is opened up, I want you to go ahead, make sure that stays is selected, type in your location. I'll use Los Angeles for this example, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on the orange search button. Once you're redirected to this page, I want you to go to the top to where it says all filters, go all the way to the right to where it says amenities right here, and then press on the arrow for the drop down. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead and press on Business Center Only right here. So make sure that Business Center Only is selected, and if all looks good, go ahead and press on Apply. Now what you're going to be seeing is a bunch of different hotels that offer, I guess, business-friendly accommodations. So this could be meeting rooms, boardrooms, etc. that you guys could be using in regards to a business-suited hotel. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to book a business hotel on kayak.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.